Abusuafo memo bibia kwa ba deba GCN page so munua ba adwoa searching me enam digimedi we ebro mesro so be subscribe to my channel na odo nsa emia bell ne so obe notification ensem ekoso wo memo bia obenya bia tie anase obenya bia hwe ewo GCN page ha. His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ena okase na ensema Nanado ekenya ne se omaiga na emu Nyankopon abo nyana bro ocheye niam papa gold diamond timber chese enyama bebre ene Nyankopon ede eche omaiga na ya woniam pa into His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo echese Ghana meburu ena Ghana for munya adwuma yo monkomo akoma enti omuyem na natural resources are your war ena properties are Ghana ye wono obejina so anase obeyusi no dey create jobs ama youth no anase Ghana mine na chese ye ho atoye na amanfo sorry I fix the country youth no enya adwuma enye ne senti no robbery cases ekoso ni pakunkum ekoso ene na ano kaso amofre ya omukokun obi so mo de kwakwaje sikadri ni na yensem hu ekoso wa manga na ntina sensem no etumi esore sa na eno ena His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo e de atodwa se Ghana ye natural resources na ye wo ejapade bebrede ontina ho onhwe se mabunu no ye ho enkyere yen enti e kwan obefa so bia no obefa so na ode ejapade ye wo e create adwuma na Ghana so yenye bi aye na sen ena His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ede etudwa na nane kasemu ena ochre se emfa ho ne COVID-19 na aba e wo se COVID-19 no aba se wiase afa na nyina na enso yakwan obefa so a obema na Ghana ye ho ato yen bi obefa so sei ena His Excellency ede etudwa
ni Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo e de atodwa wo chese ehye papa ya naban no eyeye ene se de osi krokra yen sika ene ye japade so nti no COVID-19 ya ene wogi ne ho nsere ne e wo wiase amama mu no ebetwa mu ko ya asa na so fe na peso etwa mu ko ni nyina echi no wo meye sika sem no entete mpansam sa se de bia ebinum susu no eno echi no wo se amanfo na wo mo e wo adwuma ye dada no ye kwa man bebre so a wo no hwehwe mo adwuma na so ba Ghana tebia no ente sa mampani din se mo nyina tudwa wabra Ghana Enterprises Agency na wo pa ho ntoma e won kran sei ena wo kyerse aban na ni suade hu ne botae pa ne se wo begina oman no sikasam ene wo man no agapade aye wo so na wo de adane niam nyina ni na abrakro no anso no wo ma enwuma ba sebe ya emabiri one na nam basa wonya bibi anye no wo so benya bibi ede wo nsaye.
Tracker survey conducted by the Ghana Statistical Service in collaboration with the United Nations Development Programme and the World Bank revealed that COVID-19 has led to significant job losses, with many Ghanaian businesses and firms being forced to cut costs by reducing staff hours, cutting wages, and in some cases laying off workers. Fortunately for public sector workers, government's efficient management of public finances made it possible to avoid both wage cuts and layoffs in the public sector. As many countries scramble to find support for MSMEs, we in Ghana foresaw the potential damage to our economy and the impact on MSMEs. National Micro, Small and Medium Scale Enterprises and Entrepreneurship Policy, being launched today, is the first of its kind in Ghana. It is a policy designed to direct the growth of the sector, provide clear policy direction and opportunities for all actors within the MSME space to enable them contribute meaningfully towards the development of the country.
Ghana mampani Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo ena wakasei na no echi no National Board for Small Scale Industries as I say eno omadan no edekom Ghana Enterprises Agency no pani a wono so eda no ene Mrs. Kosiyanki aye wono so ede atodwa eno wo chese wo mu se COVID-19 eniema bi ensisi so ewo sabre mu de na nso so no wo mu guso eye dwumaden sebe ya wo man no enwumakuo enketewa ene enwumakuo dantemo no wo mo so betumi asode wo sisese no enwumakuo dantemo ne nkuma bese ye empem ahenu 200,000 ene wo matumi aso masene kase COVID-19 bremu a wo hyehye ase no wo mo nyina betumi agina no se sa ekwenko na betumi aboa ama enwumakuo enketewa no so atumi agina nanso so eno ne adwuma wo de asi wani so se wo beye
ende jejina ha ne se yesi NDSS a ye friend Ghana Enterprises Agency na o hwe ade na nyesi asesa din ne keke Chese adwuma no so wo ye adwuma ketwa wo ye kese wo de wo mfinfini a de ye no ebeso adwuma no mu ye na adwuma na ye den enyin MBS sa enka de no na traders kra enka ho omo anom ye farming omo do efuo omo nka ho so say yes innovation about technology about ni na aka ho traders dodo na enyaye ebi mu nyaye sika ebi mu nso nya business development so intisi e ka ho asam pa say adwuma na ye na ekosen a ekoyie yendim se nya obia na nyaye nti ye koso enimi ye behwe kwan a ye be den ye be fa so
ane pania wada sa ekufufure yes sanidi ano Mrs. Kosi Yankee aye ena akasa no na no achi national micro small ns medium scale enterprises ene empanifo awodo nyina akwadwumade na sebi ya meka say sofo hwe enwuma ene mfiridwuma wonsam so eye alanchamaten ene sofo hye omesi kasem so kenofore ata nyina de atodwa se wo beye de obetimi bia se be ya saa dwumade wo mo hye betumi akoyi
Yemfree wana yen concept from Ghana mampanyi His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo nukure ne yetitire nim ede ma bibrema toya man wonum eku no o mampanyi de nsem watudwa no wo kyerese ebibrema ma hodo no a etuato mate etua wo wom so ekukum nipa amasese wote hodma na yem hyehye wo no ebibrema man no nyina worom kabomuko beka wo ho aboma ye baako na watumi ni se etuato dom na kono wadi won so nkunim mampanyi de nsem itudwa wa bra na woni eye Burkina Faso no abumpanifo chichiche nkomo na mampanyini aya Rock Mark Christian Kabori wakadugu ana na wo mchichi sa nkomo yi ni nyina ye nipa bonfo na no kwasia da wo motibiko sa ne yetuo edigu nipa bi so Burkina Faso mani mukum nipa beye wo ha ane aduosia na anumu no ana eko wasitire ni Ghana mampanyini na Akufo-Addo kasa no wachese sese wo ka wo ho abom na ama bi tise Burkina Faso Niger ene Mali wo mo na sa bre tuate do mama ne homene so wo hono mo a wo tieti wo mo na wo hwe mu pa no kro mo bubu na asese na ehunu se bosumi a ewom ne da ye to so du nkrokra no wo mo be kɔ no akɔ akɔye nhyiamu na etiasem ankasa no ejira sa tuate do me a wasɔre wo bibre mama
Rollins is my hero. Due to what? Edientra. Jeje no yi kwan a oyi kwan papa onhwe ma hu nkwase kwan eno ko ade na mani kire ho enso na na do kwan a ogu no eyesin jeje de. So let me go there to the point. Zinata, your father was a president. There was a company which Kwame Nkrumah was already paid in Tema. Your father was a president. There was industries which your father sold it. Your father bent those things. Take it from Ghanaians. And my brothers and my grandmothers are telling me what your father did to them. And I don't have short memory. So I'll still listen to my grandmothers. Because we the youth today, we don't listen to our grandmothers. That is why we are behaving any nonsense things on social media for you to support it. If he was able to know those things, then we know how Ghana was, how Ghana was. And we can tell you that Ghana is already changing. Due to your father, Ghana was struggling. There was no free education. There was no hospital healthcare system in Ghana. There was not even government buses. Oh, papa, tam near the Kabi, in Yaka and Equafum, in Yaka, your fro, and Nuna, a Juma, a trotro. Senator, your father tam, in Yaka and a fro, medical school. Nako 4 by ever 2 papa, and what the buses, metro buses. Eba na yefro ye na Ghana for ye de body gugu metro mass and ye say no enti Ghana ntime fese Ghana for no so ye problem kofo be fese ye no zinata papa edi ade za tam no ana kofo ba ye eno ma kofo ye o papa wontimi anya bi o kwa tese ka utwane ndisi kura esa ka utwane bibi foforo ne ehu the kind of mentality or the kind of knowledge you have for Ghanaians. Today you are joining NDC, which means you also going to do the same thing what your father did. That is why you came to social media and you are telling us anything you want to tell us. Okay, say you to know more Casano, we are not forcing your own. Okay, say you to know more face the country, no, or we are not forcing me.
and come back at Ghana for say, will be a budget blab be a banning show. Come in Yansa Bacasa. Come back at Ghana for say, more much is than phone, much is it could then our crown, more what day at the kiosk was the crown. Yambu pulling an approach and no sanity. Say you to him, Nansan, come back at your tail, Bluche. I got your president to say, your Pesagana Ghana, it's your man, and more Motiquano, almost sorry, President Simakat, Usimakatia, Tomo free. Yes, see, Kajatia market. Tomama, I had here. Nano said to try idea. Nanado, I had here. Nanado, but was one. I take Kajakat, yeah, don't you, man. Who got Johnson Ghana need to walk? Well, just as you can, you would idea.